Hello, new school Belial here, and today I'm doing a double unboxing for Bella Dynamite. I'm butchering the name. It is two Nexus Victor. I'm butchering the name again. I actually have 5 of these coming. 2 for the special gimmicks right here, like right there. For them, so I can have those. Also, they do have 2 sides to it, so I'm using this red one for glide. So yeah. I'm actually recording this before I go to work. I have an hour and 30 minutes before I have to leave. Takes me around 15-20 minutes to get to work. So yeah, you'll be seeing this today. Okay. Oh shit, that actually is really cool. And all the stickers, yay. More stickers. This is my first look at it, so yeah. It's funny, I got the arena booster before the actual main character. And I will be putting stickers on both. And I'll be doing a test battle in a new stadium, so that's why it's a bit higher on here against these two. So yeah, a little quick little battle. Okay, actually looks pretty cool, and it's a pretty good size. I like that. Now I have a whole bunch of these now. And the driver. That's actually pretty cool. I just need to get the stadium. The new official stadium. Like the Dynamite Battles standard stadium. Okay, pretty good teeth. This is in low mode, and this one will be in high mode. And the person that asked me if I got this guy yet, I wasn't expecting it today, so sorry. I said I didn't have it. That was actually true at the time. I didn't have it, but now since I have it, there we go. Stay tuned for a lot more battles. So yeah. Low mode, high mode. It's actually pretty cool. Gold, silver. But yeah. Let me put the stickers on and be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. Here they are. Boom. A gorgeous looking bay. And here's his higher up form. So yeah. And you see this is my new little creation. And there's a hole in it, I need to clean it up and everything like that. But yeah. Fucking super glue right here to hold this. How much super glue? This much super glue, or crazy glue at the time. I have 2 of these, so. Let me do a quick little battle one, two battles apiece in the stadium to actually test it out. I tested it out a bit, but yeah. Okay. Okay. That's actually pretty cool. One more time with these guys. 1-0. Okay, there we go. And my favorite, the low mode. Hey, this is only just a sneak peek, so yeah, stay tuned for full battles with these guys. Win! 1-1. That's actually what can happen. You can still go down there and they go into the pocket. So you can have a 1 in 8 chance of being into the pocket. Or going down to the depths of Hades. The depths of Hades. Name the stadium. Or this double stadium. It's kind of like the actual double decker stadium. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.